Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 12th day of November 2025. And we're going to set up as this. We're going to use our old wonderful indicator, the strong candle indicator sitting right here. And the green arrow is pointing upwards, so we're going to go long toward the top of the screen. Nice little retrace. We'll go ahead and put our order on over the top, put our stop where it belongs, and let it go. The PVI, the volatility of market's pretty high. I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 80 and 100, 110 ticks. So we're going to pair our ATM to that. We're going to go for 20 tick first targets, 50 tick second targets, and 100 tick third targets. And we're going to de-risk the trade once our first targets are hit. So that's the setup. Here we go. It's what we do just about every day in trade of the day. And this one being no different. I would like to see it push down a little bit more, but we'll go ahead and do it. And here we go. Stop's pretty much where it belongs. Don't really want to put it all the way down here. We'll just keep it under the previous candle. And here we go. All right, I may have to, since we're picked up in the trade already, we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit. Show you what happens once our first target's hit. The stop is going to come up to minus 18. So we're going for 20 tick first targets. Stop goes to minus 18. It's a break-even position. So even if the market comes back and picks me up, I have the opportunity to re-enter the trade if I want to. So we know the 20s are out, 50s are out, and now we're going to try for the 100 tick target. Usually the larger targets may take more time, but I think this candle takes it out. So I think we're okay. It usually takes multiple candles. Boom, that's how fast it was. That entire trade took less than 3 minutes and was worth 980 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 980 US dollars in less than 3 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator. And we look forward to seeing you real soon in the live trading room. That's it for today. God bless you. And we look forward to next time. Have a good one.